The Fibonacci sequence, a magical sequence of adding the previous two numbers that produces the golden ratio, found all across nature in magical ways. And it exists in finance too. Suppose the price of a stock rises to $10 and then drops $2.36. In that case, it has retraced 23.6%, which is a Fibonacci number. The indicator is useful because it can be drawn between any two significant price points, such as a high and a low. Then, the indicator will just create the levels between those 2 points. Significant price points means price will react to them, either go further up when they go past them or reverse when they reach them. These are called support and resistance trend lines, also known as supply and demand zones in other cases. The Fibonacci indicator is a highly useful, easy-use indicator that is very relevant in today's markets. By adding the Fibonacci levels to your analysis and market decisions, along with the use of other indicators, you can use the golden ratio to reap gold and reach towards financial success. Don't forget to like and subscribe. With us, you can learn and master investing, business, and finance just by watching our videos. The opportunity is right here. Take it and you'll see your life change.